Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's do this. What is going on, man? Welcome to the stream, folks. It's tournament day. I freaking love tournament day. I can't say it enough. I'm going to play a game of chess. And we are going to get everyone registered in the tournament within the next hour. And we're going to play together. E4, we play a 1700. I'm going to play C5. We're probably going to do what we did yesterday. I'm going to play my opening moves faster now. Because I spent 5 minutes like talking about the opening yesterday. And I knew my moves. I need to just play them. I did get down on time. We ended up making a draw. Bishop C4, we always play E6 instantly. Instantly. It's simple, guys. So why waste time? I'm better. I should be way ahead. You say he's like 80 points higher than you. Yeah. I'm better. 60 points higher. I'm better. Got to have the mentality that you're better and you're going to beat the guy. Okay? This is what we're doing today, guys. We're going to win a game. I'm going to let you guys come in. Start saying hello to everybody. C3. Knight F6 attacking. D3 is his move. Bishop E7. Why? Because it prepares the castle. Man, I played Bishop E6 first yesterday because I was afraid of Bishop C4. It was dumb. Bishop C4, B5. Duh. You guys don't remember that game? It's all right. Kept me up last night. I remember. I learned from it. I learned because I really tried that game. If you guys remember, I'd shut chat off. I'd still talk through some of my ideas, or my ideas. I talked through the moves. Pretty much every move I did, right? And okay, now he gets to play D4. Maybe do I play 5 here? No, it gives him E5. We know we have to castle. He definitely wants to play this, but I don't want to take. I think Knight C6 is the maneuver. Because then we do have ideas of takes, and knight to this square. Castles. It's either Knight C6 or castles. I don't want to fall too far behind. I'm still up on time a little bit. Knight C6 develops. E5 he can't play. Knight C6, I guess, threatens D5. It doesn't. We're too late for that. It's too slow for that. I developed a piece, guys. Now he's going to break in El Centro. I might have this move in D5. And it could be good. I don't know. I don't know. Willie, get in the tournament, man. The comment is right above your comment. If you already have a chess.com account, join Chess Chillers. That's the second link. If you already have that, then you must very simply go to the club and join. Push takes. I think it's okay for me. I'm playing black. They could push takes, pawn takes. The knight could come here hitting the bishop. There's no check, but then I have to make a flight square to get the knight out. B6 could be the move to bring the knight back this way, and then it has no squares. What is happening, folks? Tournament day, the biggest stream of the week happening right now. Tournament goes off in about 55. Chet plays E5. Was I supposed to play Queen C7 and was I supposed to avoid this? Takes knight. How does he defend it with the bishop? Takes knight. Bishop. Queen doesn't feel too good because then he can play rook e1, and then this is here, and maybe not best. Let's look at knight d5. Knight d5, bishop takes, pawn takes, something takes. Takes, isolated d pawn. But he is giving up the bishop. And we have a game of chess and we're not losing on time. Knight d5 is a move. It's possible. He can move his bishop and then threaten to come here. I think we take. I don't think I can keep the pawn off of e5, guys. Sabine, welcome. Good luck with your tournament, Charlie. Sabine, thank you. You should play, Sabine. You should play. You should not wish me luck. You should wish me no luck, and you should wish that you're going to crush me in the tournament today. Knight g5, bishop b4, g5, bishop f4, g5, bishop g3. I can't kick the knight. I could play then shove and just totally give away my entire king side. It's an idea. I think it's not smart. Knight back is very cramping. And then what? f6? I could play the knight to this square. The bishop will probably move. Yeah, this is not exactly ideal. I've already messed up. I think not messed up. Grandmaster here and then bishop maybe? No, it doesn't work. Okay, so I think I messed up. Yeah, I should have played queen c7 and not allowed e5. All right. Ideas. Knights can go where? This knight is good. His bishop will probably move. And attack for free and then play c4. And the knight really has no good squares. The knight's not staying. Do I just come back here? Problem is he gets this immediate. He gets this for free. I have to move. I'm gonna lose on time. Yes, bishop f4 or rook e1 and then this move. I literally think I'm gonna play back, let him mess my pawns up, play king over. This is kind of in the way. We're gonna call this in the way instead of gaining space. Do you feel the vibe? I have to look at the positivity in the position, guys. It's all I can do. You can't wrap your head around chess yet, but at least I tried. Great, brings the rook. Okay, now queen and then the bishop f4. But I'm developing. I don't think I want my queen on that diagonal, though. He's just going to come back with tempo anytime. And the problem with doing this is it gets rid of my knight square. So I think, is he threatening anything? And if I come back, bishop takes, he can attack this square. I think I'm losing. I think I'm losing already, guys. F6. F6 might be the best move. I'm losing. Dude. See, now here's the thing. I have a bad feeling I get in these positions. And I'm like, white is so much better. He's so much better. It's like there's so much play left. I need to get more in the mentality of minimizing the malarkey. Now he has pawn takes. Probably this is best. Bishop takes, rook takes. Then I can play like queen here, hitting the rook. And maybe a little, get some pieces developed. Thing about it too is he's trading off this gnarly bishop that wasn't as gnarly before I played f6. Mayfield is losing now, but never lost until mate is found. Cody, you're right. Ricky, what's up? How you doing, Ricky? Good to see you, man. Welcome to the stream. Just develops. Wow, lets me. Oh. But like the bishop, though, right? All I'm giving up is a pawn. Look at this square. I'm going to take back this way, and then I can hit this. I can take this. That was a bad move. It was not a good move. He probably should just come back. King over. Takes. Wow. Hit the bishop and the knight. Oh, but if he takes, I'm sacking a piece. This sacks a piece, so I may have to come back. But then I might have this. Okay. 1, 2, 3 pieces. I have 3 pieces. Knight takes. I think he can just win the knight. I can counterattack stuff. Don't have a check. I think he might have messed up. Rook takes, hits the queen. The queen cannot get on the rook. Wait, if knight takes, rook takes. Knight takes, rook takes. This doesn't work. Knight takes, rook takes. Bishop. Then he takes here. I can pin it. Can he unpin it before I come back? It's not pinned. This is crucial, guys, because I'm in a lot of trouble. Rook takes. He can play queen. No, he can't play queen e2. Rook takes. His queen has 1, 2. Three reasonable squares. Then if I take, king takes. Knight takes, rook takes. Oh gosh. Bishop attacking, g3 maybe, and then bishop back. I think I have to play knight takes. And then maybe bishop here. And then maybe queen up. Oh, knight takes, rook takes, bishop d6. He has bishop. Knight takes, rook takes, bishop d6. He has bishop takes check. I can take rook takes, hitting my bishop. I can then hit the rook and bring another rook. Take the horsey. No, don't do it. Bad idea, Ricky. Hey, Iris, how you doing? Who's playing a tournament today? Okay, now, this attacks the rook. The problem is still gets... Okay, this attacks the rook. And I could do this and then bring the other rook. This attacks the rook. Bishop takes check doesn't work. I think my move is queen d6. Queen. Okay, there's a back rank mate if I can distract his queen. There's no takes here. Bishop. No. Bishop. Takes check, rook takes. And I can't attack this square, but it's already defended too many times anyway. I could play bishop queen here. This move. Rook takes, and then queen. Looking at stuff. That might be the move. No, but I don't like blocking this. But I don't like blocking this. You know what I'm saying? This way. Yeah. Maybe queen d6 is the move. Because it comes with tempo. He can get on the pawn. But I can defend it. And take 6-6. I got a back rank mate. Queen d6. I'm analyzing. I said I was going to shut chat off, but you guys aren't even talking. Bill Stevens says, just finished setting up the in Florida, waiting for sound guide to mic everything up. I'll send you a stage pics. Bill Stevens, that's awesome. Joseph Sung, that's what I played. I played Queen d6, man. You know what I did? I looked and was like, this looks best. That's kind of not entirely bad. Guys, get in the tournament. Who's in the tournament? Happy Little Blunder at 1736 is in. Join. I am in the tournament now. Guys, all levels welcome. Don't be afraid. You need to play the tournament. If you're rated 200, you should play the tournament. It's an open tournament. It's a rated tournament. I might lose rating points, dude. Grow up. Play chess. It's about the journey, guys. We're talking about a journey here. Bishop takes, and then like he does the queen or something. That's not entirely bad because if we can get the rook comes here. Oh, what a move! What a move! I want to do this so bad. I want to checkmate him pretty bad. Pretty bad. Oh, he's threatening mate. Okay, so we might have to stop the mate. We don't have to, but it would be best. This just loses, so we go here. This rook is a little bit out of play, guys. He has to come here, which is not good. King up, and then I can push, hitting the rookster. Maybe bishop, bishop, right? Okay, this diagonal looks better than the one I'm on. Can I threaten anything? I want to get my bishop here so I can threaten this. Now I think we're going to do this. And then if I can get my bishop and my rook, we're playing chess. We're playing chess, guys. And you know what? F2 is a weakness. It's not as weak as my king. We have to be honest. We have to do a fair and honest assessment of the scenario provided to us. Rook, maybe come here. Improve the amigo's position. I think my bishop wanted to come here. A knight comes, okay. If I push, then I can bring the bishop. This square is weak now. Takes, king takes. Check, does not get the bishop because of the knight now. The knight's probably coming here no matter what. Queen threatens. You can bring a rook. I almost feel like this is the move. The knight comes. We move. Where's the knight going? It's probably coming here. This isn't pinned anymore, though. It can shove. It would be shoved already. I think I have to do this. Well, this develops a piece. Not very much so. Oh, this hits the rook. This hits the rook. Now you can bring the rook. And then I'll attack it again. Takes, takes. I didn't lose a pawn, did I? No. And it's isolated and weak. David, how you doing, man? David, man, we've been having some interesting games. I played a draw yesterday. It was rough. I'm really trying to change out of my streamer brain. Chat is hardly talking right now. So I didn't shut off chat. I shut it off yesterday. And I'm trying to move faster, and I'm still way down on time. For some reason, I always imagine you have an electric train set like Sheldon. Thank you. David Bassett, how are you doing, man? What is going on in your life? Tell me everything is good. We have a tournament today. Hey, David, do you remember years ago when I first contacted you about the cheater? And in the tournament, and what could we ever do about it? And I kept reporting the guy. Do I not have the tournament because it's a cheater? And we talked about it, guys. David Bassett was the guy, one of the guys I talked to about this. Actually, I talked to David and I talked to Courtney, and they both know it was upsetting in my life because our tournament was being affected by a cheater, but they weren't getting banned. And so, like, the guy was rated like 1,400, so I would have the tournament be like a under 1,300 this week. This week is for the under 1,300 players he couldn't play. So I priced him out of the tournament. And then he stopped coming around. Every once in a while he comes back and plays, but the last a couple times he's come, he hasn't been cheating. Well, he got banned. He finally got banned. It's crazy. He finally got banned. Enjoying my granddaughter. Dude, a good life, man. That is great. I have a baby coming in August. Oh, that comes with tempo, which I didn't see, but it also sets this up. How can I do something smart? This comes with tempo. Then the knight comes, then I could, like, attack the knight and the bishop? Bishop f5, rook takes, bishop takes, rook comes. This might be the best move because it develops. Because this comes, but again, is there anything I can attack? This line, does he have this line? Takes. And where does the rook go? It can come to this square, which is not good. Because then I have to defend, he could get a pawn. And I have no attacks. So I guess that doesn't work. So we have to come here, get in the knight. It's nice that my bishops cover squares. This could be a move at some point. Yeah. Brings the rook. Okay. Now, if I hit, I can come this way. He could bring the queen. Takes, bishop developing. And I have to move, guys. I'm going to lose on time. Takes. Okay, do I take with the king or the bishop? The king. Sometimes you take with the king. Might be able to get out. If he plays queen, takes, knight takes, bishop hits the knight, and I could, if I get the rook to this file, it could be good. I ended up just totally, I've let him play e5, David. I shouldn't be showing you this. I think I should have played queen c7 here. Queen c7. I mean, he's just gonna play rook e1. So I don't know. Okay, but now I need to shut chat off because I opened up a can of worms. And now you guys are going to be telling me moves. It's okay, you guys tell me moves in chat. Because I'm not watching, guys. I'm not watching. The special technique, this guy's rated 1722 chess.com rating points. We have some special old clips that I've been releasing yesterday and today from like 5 years ago. They're geared toward total beginners, but I put that in hashtag, so hopefully it'll bring some new people in. They're basic opening principles, but they were, I was able to plug in one of my old streams into a AI editor, and it just took a couple of clips, and it found them for me, made them short. And it made the thing move a little bit. That is a move. Wow. Okay. Hitting. Great. He can do this, but I can just come back. This undefends the bishop. I can hit the knight. And he can just come here. I almost feel like this is the move. Weird as it sounds. I gotta develop, guys. Problem with this is this. So I could maybe play b6, bishop b7. Also, then the rook can come with a move, with a tempo. And if this bishop comes to this diagonally, b6, he may have this. The knight comes. Okay. I played that because it's a cheapo, guys. This is the cheapo. If he's watching, I can't help it. I shouldn't have told the cheapo. It's all right. It's okay, guys. Don't worry about the cheapos. Cheapos happen. One thing I like about this square too, covers this before malarkey. Not that would be mating. I mean, you don't. Yeah, you don't want. You don't want. Yeah, we don't want that. Stockfish is like, it's no big deal. It's just a thing to consider. I have a gig coming up. It's for a crawfish boil. I'll be playing with the Zydeco band. That means all it means is it's like polka / bluegrass / blues with an accordion. It's from Louisiana. There's your definition, folks. Oh, he can just play rook over. I didn't see it. Because then my bishop's hanging. Take the knight. He takes my... Yeah, it's not good. It's not protected. The malarkey is real. Dave Joyce approved. We're testing it, folks. We're testing it. There could be ideas like this move. Pawn takes, queen takes. Opening them up. Right? And you can't play g3 because I take. And threatening takes, queen takes, and then you check this way and just pick up the knight. These are some of the ideas, folks. Brings the rook. I'm too low on time. I played this move because I set the bait for queen's move backwards. You know what I'm saying? Right. Okay, so now it is protected. So I can come queen back. Defending. And then we come in for checkmate. Simple. See, I didn't realize that, no, I realized I was making a threat, but he solved the threat because if I take, he takes. No, that was okay, though. Queen takes, rook takes, bishop. No, he has bishop back. He has bishop back. And here, he has queen back. And he has checks and he wins everything. So it doesn't quite work. So that wasn't too bad. So we're still in. We're still in like Flint, folks. It's actually in like Flynn. Charlie Keytron, thank you for the like, Charlie. Yeah. And I can't do this. And I lost on time. Wow. What is going on, guys? Dude, I really tried to do better. Joseph Poveromo, how you doing, man? Cody Wittenberg. Oh man, how you guys doing? So many people, a lot of people I haven't seen in a long time. You would play Queen F6. He played 69% accuracy. I played 64. Ugh, so close you had a winning position. I had 2 winning positions. I had 2, well, one clearly better and one clearly better and then crushing. Okay, just for the record, folks. Just for the record. By the way, guys, get in the tournament. Let me link you the tournament right now. Chillers, share, bang. There is a pinned comment on most platforms to join chess.com. Once you join chess.com, you go to that link right there and join the tournament. Oh, you might have to join the... Yeah, you probably have to join the Chillers first. You go to social clubs, search for Chess Chillers. That's how you get in the tournament. Yeah, I was doing fine. I was doing more fine than I thought, and I usually am, which is really kind of annoying. We each had one great move. There are no brilliance. Let's get down and see what the bad things. He made 2 blunders. I made 0. He had 2 misses. I had 3 misses. God, I played 4 mistakes. That was a horrible game. He played like a 1350. I played like an 1150. So whenever you see all these games where I play like a 2250, 2100, it's like, how is your rating not higher? Well, first off, that's not exactly... you have to average every single game you play. And we only focus on the good ones. Okay, that's best. Okay. Oh, yeah, here. Considered it. But you know why I play Bishop E7, man? Because it helps me castle. What did it say about Queen D6? We'll get to it. But Knight C6 is better because I have to stop E5. Knight C6 is best before castling. That's good. Okay. We're out of the opening book because no one plays this bad. And oh, D5. And we're playing chess. Queen, look at Queen D3. This pawn is going to be pretty far advanced, but dude, he could get friends. Yeah, wow. I needed to play D5. And now he's slightly better. Dude, I considered Knight D7, but I'm like, this is brutal. I'm going to get crushed. I'm going to get crushed. How's NG7 going in Elden Ring? Mac, it's going great, man. You know what's funny? We, on our NG7 Elden Ring, white should play Bishop E2. Okay, bring Queen back. Hate Imran. We were on Mesmer on my NG7, and I was bored one day, a few days ago, and so I just NG plus again, restarted the game, and I'm at Malekith right now. Just tearing through the game. Okay, here. Now, wait. Let me see. Now, are we... Okay, Rook E1. B6. Okay, getting developed. Because this, I didn't like. H6. Bishop F4. Bishop B7. So I'm just not... I just felt like with my knight gone off of F6 and all this cramp right here, I'm like, I'm going to lose. But I'm not. The Queen Elizabeth II... C4 is a weird move, bro. Thanks a lot, Stockfish. Queen C7 is what a human would play. Here, he's looking squares. We have to play A6. That's fine. Knight C2 now. Nope. Knight C4 looks good. Any squares? There's a square here. A little bit annoying. There's nothing I can do about it. So Rook FD8. We're playing chess. We're playing chess. White is better, though. Okay, so this is not good. F6 was best. Call Ben Feingold. Tell him he's wrong. Mex Boston with the like. Mex, I love you, brother. Yeah, we're going to be playing Elden Ring tonight, guys. F6. Bishop F4. That's a mistake. Knight C E5 is best. Bishop takes. Knight takes. Knight takes, bishop takes. And knight d2. He should develop. It's like this pawn is dead. It's a walking dead man. Center, we got you, brother. We got center in the tournament. You love to see it, folks. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah, Big Dad's in, baby, at 546. Happy Little Blunder, Rosewood Telly, Kanapa, welcome. I said your name wrong. Kisa, welcome. KRX, welcome. So many new people, guys. Welcome to the stream. Play the tournament, guys. Guys, we do this every week. We've been doing it every week for many, many years. And then, like, okay, knight d2. You just got to, like, okay, queen c7. Hey, defends. Rook a d1. Look at this, man. Look at this. I don't like it. I don't like this either, but g6 is a move. Bishop f6 is a move. b6 is further down the line, but I really like this move because I want to connect my rooks. Queen to the b3 square. Okay, I can't. Oh, yeah, but I can't connect him that way, and he's just going to get this anyway. King h8. Okay, so we're playing chess. We're playing chess here, and I'm about -1. We're going to see where my win is, where I was winning. That's a blunder. Oh, rook f3. Rook f3, guys. The weary warlord is here. Welcome, brother. Welcome back. Dude, I just saw your video yesterday, man. I was just looking around. I wasn't even Googling or YouTubing videos about pawns. The video was called, like, pawns. Everything you need to know about pawns. I'm telling you, man. I thought about you. You like the name Stockfish because then we can call Botters Fishy. For sure. For sure. On G7. What do you mean, Willie, on G7? At what point? I know what that means on G7. Dude, rook f3. Now, if pawn takes, we take. We have a threat, and we have a threat. Queen e4 is definitely a move. And then we take. Queen takes, queen d5. Wow. And black is clearly better. I had rook f3, guys. I have two bishops for the rook. Wow, so there was a shot here. Now why am I not seeing this? Rook takes f3. Oh, were you saying bishop g7 here? But I just took a piece. So that was my first spot. That was my first spot, guys. I had rook f3 and didn't see it. Okay, but it gets better because now it's about equal. Okay, rook f2. I agonized over it. Let's see how much time I spent. Probably way too much. 4 minutes, almost 4 minutes, guys. And I just didn't see it. Rook f2 hits the queen. And I saw that he had, like, not a lot of squares. Queen e4, massive centralization. Well, and then knight f6, though. Queen e3. And takes on b2. I saw that some taking on b2, obviously, after rook f2, but rook f2, I thought he could stay on this pawn, too. Takes. But my rook's hanging. Takes. I don't... Rook takes. Attack. I feel like I'm losing, like I lost material here though. I guess I can lose a rook. No, I can't. Dude, these tactics were too deep for me, man. Rook takes, queen e4. I knight back. That I didn't see. And does he have any other moves? Queen b3 is the other move I looked at, but what do we say on queen b3? Knight takes, rook takes, and then attack the rook. And this will still get away. Bots can never reproduce a jam like StreamRock. Jay, thank you. And Jay, thank you for sending the 100 jewels, man. Yeah. So this was the second spot I was winning. I had rook takes. But I went this way, which is bad. That's a mistake. Bishop, kind of considered this too. Bishop d6. Rook h5. g6 forced. Rook h3. e5. Nope. a6. Queen e7. a6. Queen f6. White is slightly better. The thing is, I'm still ahead in development. And I'm not down a pawn yet. But I mean, f2 is weak, but I think he's okay on f2. And I think my king is definitely airy. It's airy, guys. Dude, whose followers is that? Wayne Windsor. Following for 1,491 days. Who can beat that on Facebook? Who can beat it? Oh, man. And I think that is the end of when I was winning. Oh, yeah, so... And then a6, a4, queen e7. I just want to play a couple moves and see, like... See, it's plus 0.6. Does that mean Stockfish is going to win? I'm not sure. I think it might. Yeah. And I don't think I had a better... Oh, wait. I don't think I had any better shots. Oh, no, wait. Wasn't there one later in the game? It's only plus 0.4. That's a mistake. I wanted to get the bishop out. a6 is best. I don't understand why a6 is so good. a6, a4. And then we have to do something else. I guess it's just an improvement. And then e5. It was looking at e5. e5. Rook comes. That's no good. I wanted queen c7. Oh, queen. Oh, yeah, because this... What did I do? That lets him out of the freaking... This lets him out of the pin, and that's a question mark. Bishop f5. Bishop d3. Queen e6. Takes. I take with the pawn. Capturing toward the center. Watch. If takes, gf5. And I'm controlling a lot of squares here. And I have an open filio. And this is not easily attacked. This says equal. Yeah, so I'm not sure when you wanted d6. It was Josh. Was it Josh who said what happened? What did it say about queen d6? Yeah, bishop f5 there. That's +1. Here, rook b8 was better. Best, it's plus 0.4. That's a blunder. Okay, I'm winning again right here, guys. I'm winning again. Because of this check, maybe? Oh. No, bishop can come back, though. Okay. e4 is a great move. I'm winning here. Inaccuracy, yeah. But queen f3, what I didn't like was rook takes. Bishop h3. Come on, Stockfish. Queen B7 check. Stockfish has slowed down us, guys. I want a refund. When does the tournament start? 8 minutes. Good. We're making coffee. We're making coffee, folks. Check out the new short, guys. It's on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. And I'll probably throw it on TikTok too. And they're old clips, man. They're old clips from early in the stream. How do you check how long you followed? Followage. 1,881 by Feeding Master David Bassett. Can anybody here beat that, man, on Facebook? Exclamation point followage. By the way, Facebook, we're still in the first hour. That means we're in the early stream hype. That means like, comment, share, please. We need to grow the Facebook, man. It's already grown, but it's not growing a lot anymore these days. We need to grow it bigger. Queen B7, and dude, Stockfish, it won't give me another move. Well, I mean, Queen A6 is pretty obvious. And then, oh, Bishop back, Queen back. That's why this check is dumb. Bishop F, oh, I can't play Queen here. Okay, Rook F8. Now we're on this square, and can he defend it? Rook D2, E3, 1,000%. Oh my God, I didn't see it! Wait. It doesn't work yet. Takes. Oh. Do we literally take this and hit this square and win a pawn? Boy, I'm glad I'm playing today and not analyzing, because Stockfish is not... I might restart my browser. Queen G1 is better than taking? Oh, because Queen G1 doesn't let him out. Queen G1, King E3. Okay, I'm doing it. All browsers closed. Starting a new browser, guys. I don't blame the browser. You guys know me. I like to blame play online. I like to blame chess.com. 5 minutes left, guys. 5-minute warning. Well, 5 minutes, 46 seconds. We're going to get back to that position because there was malarkey there, but I didn't see it. Actually, winning tactically yesterday too and missed it, but that happens. But I'm not looking hard enough. Oh, wait, analysis, yeah. Come on, Stocky. Okay. Queen takes. And what's wrong with Rook takes? Did I relook at this? Rook takes. Bishop H3. This is the line we're looking at. Queen takes. King up. Bishop F1. Rook D2. Takes. Here. Queen G1. And then it needs to give me a move. F4. What's wrong? King E3. Oh, check. Dude, Stockfish is the gnarliest headhunter ever created. We're going to check our coffee cam now. But hey, guys, if you're out there lurking, we'll do a little lurker love, man. I love this lurker love. The music makes me feel happy. As Jay Williams says, if you're enjoying the abiding vibes provided, leave a comment, like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Jay. And it hid your comment. I'm unhiding it. I don't know why they do that to you, man. Daniel Abbott, how you doing? Yeah, so if you're out there lurking, it's okay. You don't have to like, comment, follow, subscribe if you don't want to. But if you want to get involved with the best community in the world, might want to do something. Follow on Twitch. Subscribe on YouTube. It's free. Like on Facebook. And then say hello. Just say, like, I'm lurking from Canada. That'd be awesome. Mex was here. He could get you. He could bring you in. He's our Canadian attaché. This has been today's episode of Lurker Love. Now how much time do we have in the tournament, guys? Uh, 2 minutes. Okay, I was going to check the coffee cam for a board. And we have a board on the coffee cam. Okay, good. We have a board on the coffee cam. So now let's just make some coffee real quick. Yes, I know you guys can see dishes. I just washed them the other day. Max says you love to see it, folks. I told you he was here. If you're lurking from Canada, say hello. Because Mex is here. He will onboard you. He will onboard you. Hey, we got a friend request from Kabir's Reinvented. Kabir's. This means we are now friends on chess.com. It means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. Bam. You are committed now to the chillers. You're a chiller. Welcome. Well, actually, to be a chiller, you don't friend me on chess.com. You got to follow on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, or follow on Facebook. Also hit the like button, guys. Like buttons are huge right now. Tournament starts in 1 minute. Guys, my coffee. Guys, I really have a lot of guitar I need to play. I have some guitar I need to play. The problem is on like YouTube and Facebook, if I play to backing tracks or something, there could be an issue. Twitch is a little bit looser on that. So if what you want to do is you definitely want to join a live alert channel, because I'm going to be doing a live where's the live alert channel? Right here. I'm going to be doing a live very soon. And I'm going to be playing guitar, and it's going to be Twitch exclusive, not to front off all my great other platform people, but because it will make it an entirely better music stream. So what you need to do is, if you're not on that live alert channel, join it, click it and join it. Tom Beast 672, I love your name. I'm already intimidated. Don't leave the milk out. Bex, I didn't, man. Calvin says, I'm too tired to play. I will watch a bit. Rather cool, man. E4, E5, we play Bishop C4, folks. Join that live alert channel. That way, when I go live on any platform, I give a little notice saying, I'm live here. Click on it, then you can watch. All right? And you should also follow me on all platforms, guys. All platforms. You know what that means, right? Because, for those reasons. Plus, like, for instance, if one channel Let's say my rating got so high that I got banned on chess.com. Probably not going to happen. But if it did, not on chess.com. Let's say my rating got so high that I got banned on one platform. Well, then we have the other platforms. I don't remember what to do here already. I think it's this move. I don't know, though. I'm scared. Yeah, so would you guys like that? Would you guys like a, you know, you guys know what I say. When I describe myself, I say my name's Charlie, I play guitar, I play chess, we play games after dark, Elden Ring mostly, right? I'm first and foremost a guitar player by definition, by my own definition. And I need to play some guitar. And I know a lot of people like that. So if you're gonna want to see a music stream, you definitely want to get that live alert. Join that live alert channel, guys. And then whenever I go, or definitely go, follow me on Twitch too, and you'll get an alert. Because I think Twitch actually gives alerts. Right now, do we play E5, D5, Bishop B5? E5, D5, Bishop B5. Dude, I'm supposed to know this, man. Because if I take, I think he just takes here. I think it's E5, D5. I love to see the free live music. Yeah, dude. Jay, what I've got to do is, I've got some very specific tracks. I need to kind of learn some songs. And so I'll pull the songs up. We'll plug in a little guitar. We'll play the songs. And we'll jam to them. You know what I mean? Dude, the allergies in Texas are crazy right now. Allergies in Texas are crazy. I didn't have as much trouble singing last night as I thought I might. But still, you just heard me cough for basically no reason. I got a little bit of, you know, yeah, I didn't want to talk about it. A little bit of drainage, a little bit of, right? Not real bad, but a little bit. And do I have check, king takes, knight check, and then take the queen, the knight? I think I do. Just work. If I lose those 600. I should have spent more time on it. Why do I do these things to myself? I'm not dumping rating points. That's against the rules. I'm a streamer, guys. I looked. It looks like it works. I don't know. I think it works. It almost never works. And I'll do the review tomorrow. And I'll be like, oh, I had Bishop F7 check because I didn't look at it because I just castled. Just castle. That's what streamers do. You just castle. You don't look at stuff. You don't look at stuff. It's hard to look at stuff, guys. Okay, there's one guy I watch. He's a master. He looks pretty good, but he's also better than me. So, okay, now we play check. Man, I'm telling you guys, it has to be, well, I know it has been some value to so many people to watch my stream and learn from it, even though I'm not a master, just because I'm a lot better than a lot of people here. But a lot of people but I can just watch a master play chess. I can watch a master play chess, It doesn't have to be an international master. It doesn't have to be Hikaru. But Magnus is better. Watch Magnus talk about his games. Yeah, you can learn from it. Dude, watching a guy who's just a master. Chris Desmo! What are you doing, brother? Guys, Desmo, man, I missed you at the open mic. I think we have to take our piece now, right? And then we see what happens. And I think maybe on D6 or D5, I might even push. I might even push, guys. If I push, then he can bring the knight. I have a check. He could play G6. I have queen back. He could play queen E7. Then I could play knight takes. Weird, huh? I think it works, though. That's the problem. Oh, queen back, knight takes stops everything. So maybe this is the move. Let him bring the knight. I think this is the best move. Desmo, I was just telling chat that you'll be back at open mic soon. Cool. I was just telling him I'm doing a crawfish boil. And I'm going to be playing with a Zydeco band. And there's going to be a accordion. And I have some songs I need to learn. And I can't really learn them here for copyright problems. But Twitch, because of the VODs, the way Twitch works, you can get away with playing copyrighted music on Twitch. And so I'm probably going to do a live stream Twitch exclusive. He's on my queen. I could come to this square. He would probably take then with the pawn. And then we castle. Or we take. And then we do this. I like this center square, guys. I really, really, really like it. I think this is the move. Because it forces, and it actually forces pawn takes. And then you say, Charlie, you have to castle. Truthy S, what's up? I have to castle and develop my pieces. You're not going to mate a king with a couple of pieces? No, I'm not. I might mate a king with a queen and a knight, though. I might. This square. D5, I just come back to F4. I can't castle. I was like, I just wanted the castle. What did I say was wrong with pushing? The knight comes. Then I think I come back. Bishop E7, F4, maybe I can do some of this. I think Queen E2 is the move. God, I like this one better, though. I like this one, too. I was worried about G6, but I have pawn takes pawn. I don't know, man. I'm scared. Chillers, Blues, and Stream Rock available on all platforms. Yeah, so Desmo, so I'm probably going to be doing some music. When I very first started streaming, I played more music on stream. I say, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, and what do? I play chess. Okay, now I can take. I can play F4. I can just castle. G6 stops all that. So I think I take here. Because it's a pawn. You know what I play on Bishop B4 check? I think I play C3, pawn takes, BC3, kicking the bishop, regaining the initiative. Got my butt handed to me. Good game, Chess Army. Center, Chess Army played a good game. Cool. Yeah, Desmo, man. Dude, we should do a collab, man. We should do a collab. Because Desmo plays on Facebook. He does live music on Facebook. So what we do, Desmo, is you come over here. We set up some guitars. I go live to my platforms. You can go live to your platforms. We talk. We collab. We jam. You sing. I play lead for you. I sing. You play lead for me. Everybody wins. And we expand our communities. It's a move. It's a real move. Yeah. Am I blowing this? Just plays Bishop. Now, he already can't castle, which kind of is rough. I can play check. Forces king here, blocking the bishop. And he's going to be completely cramped. And then I think I castle. The queen check must be the move, right, guys? Queen check. And just castle. With ideas. He already can't castle, though. He's not going anywhere. H4. Knight back. Doesn't work. The bishop... See, the problem is my pieces don't have any good attacking squares. C3. I think it should castle. Is his bishop going to get out? It could come to E6. I do not want the bishop to come to E6. That means his king has squares to live, survive, like Gloria freaking Gaynor over here. Collaboration, it's sweeping the streaming nation. Desmo says, I would love to. I'm literally whenever. I'm down. Cool, Desmo. Guys, Desmo's a great guitar player, and he's just, you guys, when you guys see Desmo, you're going to fall in love. He's got a good smile. He's a good-hearted person. He's just, this is my love letter to you, Desmo. I've always got along with Desmo, man. I don't know what it is. Well, I mean, it's not like the guy's a jerk. I don't understand why me and him get along. He's not. He's a great guy. But I just always appreciated Chris Desmo. Now, I could play a check. Can I threaten a check? I can't. I think castling's the move because all this, first off, my bishop goes nowhere good, right? My bishop goes nowhere happy. My knight goes nowhere happy. Pushing and then maybe playing F4. I can also take another pawn. I think it's time to stop taking pawns. Just castles. I'm looking at too much stuff. I had a castle, guys. I had to move! Did I get enough pawns? Yeah, he's trying to get away. Doesn't do anything. F4 weakens my king, threatens to take something that's already protected, threatens to open up a file that could be good later but doesn't do too much. I literally, in this bishop has no good source, I think we do this. I think we do this. Brings the bishop with tempo. Now I can play check and say, now you can't leave. This is definitely a now you can't leave type of maneuver, and I'm going to play it. It's like, nah, you go ahead and sit down. This is what got OJ put in jail the second time. Now you can't leave. Guys. Same love, amigo, for reals. Yeah, dude, love you, brother. OJ did like a whole bunch of stuff that should have put him in jail for a long time, and, you know, the glove didn't fit. And then what happened was some person had his, like, baseball jersey or something. Takes. I guess we come here. So low on time, guys. There are ideas. There are multiple ideas. The only thing... Okay, the queen comes. Probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move! Very good, class. Threatening nothing. I had to move, guys. I had no choice. I'm going to lose on time! I literally am going to lose on time. Okay, get it into your head that you're going to lose on time. Just start saying it to yourself. I'm going to lose on time. Very good. And I have to start moving faster, guys. Mucho faster. Oh my god, my knight. I think he has check. I didn't see it. Darn it. He's not listening, folks. Kind of hope he is. The confusion is real. He has queen here. I didn't see it. I lose my knight. Because the tree, and then the knight gets trapped. See what I'm saying? Dave Joyce, Jason Spry. Hey, Charlie. It's Jackson from YouTube. Just figured out how to watch you on Facebook stream. Finally new to the platform. Dude, welcome, brother. Brings a rook. Okay, with threatening to win material! The knight comes. I had to move, guys, because I had no choice. Okay, Here. Here first. Yes, knight check. I didn't see it. It's probably going to involve rook takes. Bringing the knight is definitely a maneuver. I had to move, guys. I had no choice. It's killing me. I'll have this, I think. I mean, I'm on the queen, guys. He can just attack my knight. Takes. I didn't even look at it, guys. You know what I did look at? I'm not gonna lose a piece. This guy's too fast. Dude, this guy's rated 672. This guy's rated 672. I did make this background music, Jackson. Someone who would know organically would be, would be Chris Desmo, who's watching. He knows me pretty good. Very fortunate. Well, kind of fortunate. He's going to get my knight! Guys, I got to move fast. Now I get the bishop. And we'll be up a full rook. And then we stop the back rank maneuvers. Oh, wait. I had check. I had check. Is the move here check? Knight G5 check. King G6. Oh. Hey, Charlie Dart. Guys, that guy's rated 600. He played a great game. Cody says, hey, Charlie, what was the tournament you were talking about earlier? This tournament, we're playing a tournament right now, Cody. D4, Knight F6. We are playing a tournament. This person is Charlie Sardine, and yet they say that it is not a troll. They say their name is Charlene and they're from Sardinia. Chat. I leave it to chat. You guys know what's a troll better than me. You had zero chess brain when I got here. You love it. You love to see it, folks. D8. Dude, that guy was rated 600. What? I gotta move faster, guys. I think I'm leaving about 6 minutes on the table. Okay. I don't even know what to do here. Huh. Takes, knight takes. I don't like knight c6. Takes, knight takes, c5. Takes, pawn takes. I think we're okay. The weather warming up usually has a way of interacting with the sinuses that frequently not so nice. Yeah. Yeah. No, that is on chess.com. Can anyone join? Cody, yes. It is on chess.com and anyone can join. Let me see. Jay, do you know how to go to chess to go to Chillers and get the link to share Chillers on for somebody? Do we play C5 here? What do you play here? I could do it. You just go to Chillers, you go to the club, and then say share, and the sheet that gives a link. If you could put that on Facebook, that'd be great. Cody needs in. Another idea? Develop. C5, I think, is the move. I don't know what to do. It might be too hard for me. The tournament has begun. It starts Wednesday at 4 p.m. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, Cody. Cody, go to chess.com and type, go to social and go to clubs and search for Chess Chillers. Join the club. Then you can play the tournament. You might still be able to get in a second round. How many players we got? You might still be able to get in. You might still be able to get in today if you have a chess.com account. Cody, you have a chess.com account. Okay, that's a move. But I think I can do... What is this move? From a 439 rated player, guys. Telling you. What did Willie say? What did Willie teach us? All the world has gone to pot, folks. Takes... If I go here now, he just takes a pawn. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You gotta buy. I can do it. Let me go to, Can I do it while I'm playing, though? Your 400 rating, never done a tournament, looking for the club now. Yeah, you go... Okay, Cody, here, let me see. Community clubs. Chess chillers. Invite. Copy link. There we go. That's how you join the club. You go to Chess Chillers. Plays D5. Yeah, man. The shades are real, folks. The shades are real. The 439 is playing all the perfect maneuvers. I don't remember. I don't understand. I just don't understand it. No, here's how I have to say it. My opponent, my level 439 opponent, is playing really, 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 really good. It's amazing. I've just never seen a 439 play like this before. That's all. I'm just shocked. So don't be offended. All I'm saying is, you're playing like a proper grandmaster. Double, give him the pair, or just develop, because the knight's going to come in here. I think we double and give him the pair. I really do. This is the maneuver. This is the maneuver, guys. Okay, now bring the knight, blockading and defending like our great world champion. 400 players don't play like this, right? Charlie Sardine, you have to be clear about your intentions. What is going on? See, I think people that don't know much about chess don't understand certain things. It's just crazy. I mean, I'm probably better, but when you're rated 400, you drop pieces and stuff. You drop pieces. You don't end up... Like, is he up a pawn? Or she? No, I think we're even. And my structure is better. They got the bishop pair, but and I think black is clearly better. But where's the blunder? 400. Look at that. This is all book. This might not be book. This is probably still okay. And then this one, when I sacked the knight, took with the queen. Oh, am I down a piece? I'm not. Okay. It's a move. I should... What did he tell us, guys? What did our man tell us? When there's one open file, what should you do? Control it or contest it. That's what we did, folks. Controlled it or contested it. Hi, Charlie. Chess Watcher, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Cody, you're... Okay, so now you're in the Chess Chillers. Now see if you can join the tournament. You might be able to late join. You said, can you play on your own time? Yes. You can play on your own time on the clock. Are you asking, like, can you, Are you asking, can you... No. Like, you have to start the tournament when the tournament starts, and you got to be here for a couple hours while it plays out. I think that's what you were asking. Okay. I just feel like I'm playing against a, what do you call it? A superior god than me. And so I feel like every move loses now. Push. I like it. It defends. Tries to relieve some pressure. Did I get a friend request? Incoming request. Friend request from Charlie Sardine. We're gonna hold off on that one. Hey, Jackson Spry is now following. Jackson, thank you. Brings the bishop back. So smart. This is freaking 400 players don't play like this. You don't know how to do this. That's what they don't understand. I could take another pawn. I think we take here. Takes, bishop takes. He's going to be on this pawn. Then we'd take another pawn. Still getting used to how Facebook works. Jason, that's cool, man. Gotcha, makes sense. Yes, that's what I was asking. I don't know if it went on for a couple of days. No. It's a few hour event. You didn't join club and tournament, but when I joined tournament, it said you have a 0 point buy, so you're in. Oh, well, then you can drop out of the tournament. I'm being completely out-tacticked by a freaking grandmaster. Okay, wait, I have this. Oh my god. Charlie Sardine, you're not 400 rated. It's not true. Thomas the Train Gaming has subscribed. Thomas, thank you. Okay. That's an idea. Check. Rook takes, rook takes. Can my knight move? It can. Oh yeah, so check takes, takes. The bishops are still alive, though, is a problem. You know what I'm saying? I could attack something with time and then maybe come here and try and get rid of the bishop. Do you know I defended this pawn and I knew that it was going to be a problem being pinned, like, for the rest of the game? And a 400 is doing this to me? I'm telling you, man. I'm just amazed. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Oh, wait. I have a check. I have a check. It doesn't do anything. I could come here. This might be the move. It could be this. Okay, this way just trades a rook. This way says you're going to trade a bishop or I'm going to get a monster. You know what I'm saying? I guess this way does too. But that brings a rook with tempo and I don't have options. No, I'm going to go this way. Rook takes, rook takes. He's fine. Dude. I mean, okay, takes. Right. Okay. Now, I can check. Hi. Nasty one, how you doing? Guys, just because I'm winning does not mean that it can't be mind blown. Mind blown. I think I just take the pawn, right? Knight doesn't work. Yeah, take the pawn. Take the pawn because it defends the rook, most importantly. And then we start coming in for the mate. We get rid of one opposite color bishops. I have two pawns in an opposite color bishop game. And you know what? Billion percent. It's a draw. Doing pretty good. Got back into chess last week after years of not playing. It has been really fun. Cool. Check. King moves over. Doesn't do anything. I think it wants to trade so bad. I think we do this. This is Grandmaster move. What I'm doing is still getting used to how Facebook works. Got you. Check. King over. I get a piece. He checks. I come here. I get to run, though. So this just loses, right? He gets a piece back. So do I take here and then take here? I think I do. I think it goes bishop takes. No, I think it goes rook takes bishop. Thought it was coming here with check, but it's still okay. I think. Dude, how long did you take off, man? It's been really fun. Very cool, Nasty. We have a great community here. You definitely want to get back involved with this community. That was the Grandmaster move, guys. That was the Grandmaster move! Because there was malarkey with check, king up. Let me show you. Bishop takes. Rook check. This is forced. Check. I have to move my king somewhere. I could play f6. But then he takes the pawn. This pawn could be weak. We're still going on. This is going on, but this wins material. And the beauty is the knight comes with check. Or, no. Check, king here, hits both pieces. Telling you, it's going to be impossible to win this game. And there's a reason why. There's a reason why, guys. It's going to be impossible for me to win this game. I can attack the rook. Attack the rook, he comes up. I can come here. He can attack the knight. I can check. He can't come forward. I think knight back. No, because then he has rook up. No, then I come here. But here's the problem. I'm going to tell you guys the problem. Grandmaster moves incoming. It's been happening all game. Does this lose? Right. Looked at it. I told you that's the move, guys. What I told you, right? But the 400 sees it faster than I did. Now, if I come here, hit, he can't attack my knight. And I come here, I save the knight, and the game's over. Because we consolidated. Wow, this is rough. I got back because my neurologist recommended it after a little accident you had recently. Okay, now I feel so bad compared to 5 years ago. Oh, man. Well, nasty one. Welcome back, dude. Okay, good. Okay, does nothing. I think this is the move. 1,000,000 percentile. King, push. This game, I'm sorry, guys. It's insane to play someone so much lower rated that, and you just like have no chance alone, ace, man. You say, what do you mean you're winning? Don't understand chess, guys. I don't understand chess. I don't understand chess. Okay. This is horrifying. Do you guys know, like, this position against Stockfish is losing? It's losing, guys. You guys don't think I'm losing, you're wrong. Plus the time. The time pressure. It's just hard. Okay, yeah, of course. No, I could have told you what was happening here, guys. Now, this probably wasn't best. But you know why I did it? I did it because I'm losing. And if this pawn stays on the board, I lose. Because Stockfish will make a queen. Where's the mate, guys? I'm worried about the rook, but I'm winning this, so I need to just relax now. I'm telling you that we'll talk about it after the game. I just don't understand anything about chess anymore. I don't understand anything about chess. I used to have an idea, guys. I just don't understand chess. Dude. I have never played a game against a 400 player like that in my whole life. That was the craziest, scariest game I've ever played. You are destined to be a grandmaster. There's no doubt. No doubt. That was insane. Good game. C4, E5. I just don't understand. I don't understand chess. I don't get it, guys. I don't understand chess. Nope. I know nothing about chess. He had bishop takes, man. He had bishop takes. So we go here. Wow. This guy's 1700. See, he didn't expect me to drop like that much wood that fast. Now, do we just go here? No, because he has a check, but then I have C6. I literally think this is a move as dumb as it seems. This is a real game of chess, guys, by the way. What a game. That was, yeah. I don't even know. I don't understand anything about chess. Everything I know about chess doesn't make sense anymore. I don't understand it. Okay, this, queen check, C6. Or, is he threatening something? Yeah, he's threatening a pawn. I don't know what happens here, guys. Just plays back. Just plays back. Okay. Man, what a freaking game that last game was. I'm like see, here's how these Swisses work too. Some rounds you get to play higher rated people, lower rated people, different kind of people. And that was first round game against a 400. So it's supposed to be like a pretty relaxing game, you know. They blunder piece, they don't develop their pieces, they don't castle, they leave their queen hanging, and then I win. That's how this works. Oh, this pawn is hanging now. Wow. Yeah, but this is a real game of chess, though, guys. This is a real game of chess. Okay, so we develop. This is a real game of chess. Yeah, it feels good. Feels good to be back to Earth. Okay. Castles. Takes. I think we push. Because now the knight can't come here. Knight comes. It's a story, guys. It threatens nothing. We castle. It's just a story. I gotta hit the bio, man. Charlene, are you watching? You usually watch. I don't understand what that game was. You're rated 400. You pay like insanely better than 400. Insanely. Like when the stream's over, when tournament's over, we'll look at some 400 rated players games. All right? And see what it looks like, because it's not what it looks like. I'm not saying they're cheating. I'm saying I think they're very, very insanely underrated. Insanely underrated. Yeah. 1000%. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I just almost got crushed by a 400 player. That's right, folks. I mean, don't get me wrong, I won the game. But I think I had to make like a lot of pretty good moves. Yeah, this is an idea. But I don't think it does anything. Yeah, now... Do we leave the knight or do we develop? I think we develop. Okay, now he's attacked my knight and my pawn. So we'll come here. We have a beautiful square. And we have a beautiful plan. Yeah, dude, this guy is smart. He's smart. He's gonna push. If I push here, he just does this and it helps him. I could push and he push. And then play knight back. Take 6, opens the file. No. We didn't win a pawn or anything, did we? No. We got space over there. I could play queen, then the knight comes. That kind of sucks. This here. Can I play this? That really, really weakens my scenario. Push, push. And just come back. Or even come back here. Oh, no, because he's getting a square. So I would have to make a move, and then he kicks, and then I leave, and it's like, man. So is this really the best move? Is it really the best move? It could be. Do you have a stream schedule? Monday through Thursday, we stream chess at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. Then most evenings, definitely Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Although I missed last Thursday, guys. I was not up to streaming. Okay, he comes. Wow. Yep. I even saw that square. I just didn't see it was going to come from here. So... Wow. Oh my God. If I come here, he can fork. If I come here, he can fork. We could defend. Nothing bad's happening. Or I can just improve. I can do this. There's no fork. If he plays knight, he kind of forks, but not really. This is a weak square. I could bring my king. I could play... I could play this now. I could play this now. There we go. Took me forever. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Oh, he's coming. He's full-blown kick drumming. Oh, and he's going to get this square, too. Push, takes, check. Push. Takes check. This might be the best move. Another idea is bringing the knight. He could bring a knight in. It's a pretty good knight. It doesn't work right now. I guess we go here. But one thing this does, it breaks the pawns up. It breaks the pawns up. You know what I'm saying? It breaks mine up, but he has this. He has this. So I think this is the move. Oh, I lose a pawn. Push, takes, check. Then he takes that. That loses a pawn. So we can't do that. So we're going to bring the knight. This is so rough, guys. That's what I played. No, the other way loses a pawn. I didn't see it. Shelfrey, why do your messages keep being retracted? You guys are giving moves over here. B2. Cool. You guys, I'm not looking at that. Poker, Greg. Poker, Greg Shahade. Are you... Is this big Poker, Greg Shahade? Bishop takes. Pawn takes. Bishops move backwards. Oh, but wait. Oh, no. That undefends my knight. This is a good square, but it's like, what does it do, Hair? This is not right. This seems like it's going to be a knight to nowhere, guys. Do you guys know what a knight to nowhere is? I'm going to show you. My God. That just makes the move possible. I could come up. That's just losing. Knight. He's going to take. is the problem. And then sink one. No, I guess... Let's try it. Let's try it. See, the thing about this knight is, yeah, it's out there. It's a very strong knight. But it's not exactly rocking it. It's not exactly rocking in the free world like what's his name? Keep on rocking in the free world. Yeah, we got to bring more rooks into the game, folks. Do I come here? This doesn't do anything. I guess we come here, then the knight comes with time. I think I come here. I don't know why. I just think I come here. Probably not the best move because that's probably the square my knight needs to go back to. Fortunate's back is a great chess player. This is a real chess game. He is clearly better. Okay. Threatening. You guys see the theme here? It's not a good theme. I have this idea, though. The theme here is my rook is trapped. Now, we break stuff up. Knight back takes. And I'm not losing the middle anymore. And my knight's going to have squares because my rook's not trapped. You know what I'm saying? You think you can't get attacked when the queens are off? Not true. These rooks can be very, very annoying. Especially with the knight around here to like jump in with some checks and stuff and do stuff. Yeah. Plus he's up. He's got me 6-1 on the clock. But we're in. We're still playing. You got back because of your Nora. I'll just recommend it. Okay, yeah, got you, Nasty. Hey, if you like Elden Ring, if anyone likes Elden Ring, we play Elden Ring in the evenings, guys. 8 p.m. We have a tournament. We have a Elden Ring stream coming. Now, my knight is doing some work over here, but really not much. But this is a great move. Plays knight back. Wow. Takes. Did we just take? Okay, his king's coming. Do I go here? I think I go here. I think the problem is my pawn is further advanced and I have all the moves here to win this pawn and then get over here. Okay, en passant, we just take. Yeah, man. Dude, you were winning, I think, man. That was a really good game. Fortunate back, you played great. You don't play near as good as my first round opponent who was rated 400. But you play really, really good. That was a real game of chess. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for it. We got one more game in the round. Daniel versus Charlie Sardine. And tomorrow I play against viewers. I can play against you guys tomorrow. 3-minute unrated. Okay, we'll play together tomorrow. And I also, and yeah, there are ideas of getting here and coming in also. This bishop is not good, but it can get good. There are, if everything's locked up, it's not really going to happen. Yeah. No, improve, man. Improve the position. You know what I'm saying? These are the maneuvers. These are the maneuvers, folks. Pushes, we probably just take. King up's a move. King he's got a protected pass pawn. If all the pieces disappear, black wins. But white's up in exchange, so that's not going to happen. Jackson Spicer just saw your Steve Cropper video. Did you know part of Full Moon Fever by Tom Petty was recorded at his house? I did not know that, Jackson Spry. And why? I don't understand why your comment is hidden, my brother. But welcome. I unhid your comment because you said nothing but good stuff. We're talking music here. Guys, if you guys like music, if you like chess, and if you like gaming, I don't only play Elden Ring. I haven't played Red Dead Redemption 2 yet, and I'm probably going to play it soon. We'll be playing that game. I have a level 60 mage in hardcore World of Warcraft, guys. This is probably a move. It pins the rook, though. But see, he might be able to come in. This could happen at some point, but it's not happening yet. And he could have played rook takes pawn also. He could have won a pawn. Takes. The problem is this bishop is 1, 2, 3, 4 moves from playing chess. And Charlene Sardine keeps the queen out. Ooh, takes the pawn with check. What? Daniel Abbott coming in, folks. And he may get this pawn too. And now you have this and this. He can hit the queen and then discover check with the bishop. That's huge. Because the bishop gets to play chess. That's actually winning because he has to do this. Oh, he does this first. It might be okay. It probably is. Okay, now you say check. And he has to interpose, and then you take with check. This is crushing. Daniel Abbott found it. His rating is 666, guys. The rating of the beast. It's brutal, guys. Yeah, so I didn't know that, Jackson Spry. You play music? You into music? I'm telling you guys, I have a lot of guitar I have to play, and I'm going to be doing a Twitch exclusive stream coming up soon. You want to join the Live Alert broadcast channel? Is that in the link or no? Let me see. No, that's Join Chess Chillers. Okay, now. Takes check. Takes check. Rook takes, and you're up a rook. This queen takes rook check. Oh no, the queen moves backwards. He didn't see it just like me, guys. He didn't see it just like me. Now. Okay. Yeah, he could just start snacking. It's over. It's over. That was a big blunder. That was a tactical blunder. He fell for the same blunder I fell with. Takes, bang. And then, okay, so here, queen check. And then take the queen. Queen check. And then take the queen. Anything. And then take the queen. Even rook takes, rook, or pawn takes is crushing, I think. You're very into blues and anything inspired by it, even loosely. Jackson Spry, cool, man. I was looking for some Zydeco music the other day, and It just ended up playing... the playlist just brought me on to Howlin' Wolf. I ended up just watching Howlin' Wolf. It was pretty cool. I was cleaning. I was cleaning the house. So I was listening. Thank you for following Nasty. Hey, guys. Yeah, man. I want to thank Matt Farrell with a like. Oh, yeah, Kingsley. Thank you for the follow. Cameron Ayers. Thank you for the like. Nasty One on Twitch. Twitch. I freaking love my Twitch. The community is growing, folks. We just did a celebration bonus. Yeah, and he has no checks, too. This is probably still winning for white if it was Stockfish. But you need to check and get a pawn or something. I'm not sure what he's supposed to do here. Check. Diagonal checks are always good. You always keep them in mind. And so, oh, we have another big celebration stream coming up, guys. I'm at like 2,960 something hours in Elden Ring. And when we get to 2,988, we are going to set a 12-hour timer, and we're going to do a 12-hour stream. Now, White, this is a draw. White has checks and can just draw right now. And he can even make it in advance. But once he does, it's going to be a draw from the black checks. He can do this threatening check, but we're threatening this pawn with check. You know what I'm saying? It's like, that's why it should be a draw. Check, you just play king up. You get advance. We take with check. And then you just check forever from back here. Check, 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 check. I think. Right? Now you can take the pawn with check. And if you can ever trade queens, you can't because he'll take and your king can't stop the pawn. You can't take because the king will block your king away. And you can't stop checking. Yeah, you can't stop checking. And you check the king into to where it goes in front of the pawn. Yeah, now it's in front of the pawn, and you can even check. You're going to run out of checks when it gets here, though. No, you won't. Oh, yeah, you will, because the pawn's going to push. This person is rated 400, guys. There's checks. Check. Oh, no. Yeah, Daniel just... Daniel, that's so rough, guys. You played the highest rated 400 player ever. Good game, guys. Good match. I get happy little blunder. Play well, my friend. Hey, Lois, you said you weren't feeling well the other day, like a week ago, 4 days ago, and I didn't respond to it because I didn't see it. And then I just saw it, and a few days later, and I responded to it. I hope you saw me, and I hope you're doing well. How are you doing, Lois? Tell me, feeling much better now. Thank you. It sounded to me like it was the kind of thing that probably wasn't going to get better in one day. But here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, that's what I'm hoping for. Okay. Happy little blunder, guys. 1725. This guy's no joke. I can already tell this is a real game of chess, too, which is really refreshing. Refreshing? Is that the word? Now, do I push? I don't take. And play f4. I think I actually could. Takes... You could play pawn takes. I think I'm going to bring the knight. brought the knight, folks. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Lois. What happened, Lois? Tell me you're feeling better. Lois is probably typing on their phone. Brings the knight. This is a crazy position. Thank you. You haven't been on. Starting to recover. Oh, I love this move. Pinning. You just played 6 then. We played G4 now anyway. You still could play here. Takes. Does this work? Here. Bishop G5, H6, knight. I bring out another piece, so I just do this. I didn't know what to do, but I had to move. Better a mediocre move and not lose on time than a slightly better move and lose on time, right? Okay. Okay, takes. F4, knight is on this square. I come here, he's got this. No, because I'll be hitting the queen. I won't be hitting the queen. Takes. F4. Knight comes, takes. Bishop takes. Or now, takes. This is a really rough position, guys, but it's a real game of chess, which is refreshing. If you are new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Elden Ring, I gotta... Dude, get my phone. I gotta message the guys. Okay, every game is gaming night. But Wednesday nights I've been doing a special build with Trey and Drew. Interesting. Takes, queen takes. F4 queen takes. So just king b1 laughing. This stops knight c4. It allows a queen check. F4 doesn't. Knight c4 takes. Queen hits. Nope, takes, hits my rook. Knight takes. And F4. Dude, there's big tournaments going on right now. Is the St. Louis Masters, did it start? We're going to check it out, guys. Guys, if you want to get better at chess, it's a really good idea to look at stuff. Watch Grandmasters. There's nothing wrong with watching Grandmasters play chess. Takes with the pawn. I don't think that was the move. I'm really happy to see it. Because I can play F4 now. And the knight has to go away. I should have looked harder, but no, I kind of already looked at it, and it's time to start looking. It's time to start moving. And then we push, and we start looking at his king. Adam Engel with the 50. Adam, thank you, man. Thank you. The knight comes back. Push, pawn takes, queen, push. Pawn takes, queen, takes. Push. I think it works. I'm 2 minutes down on the clock. Thank you. I haven't been on Starting to Recover. Got that one. Okay. Shruti, why do you keep saying messages and then retracting them? Say hello. Say something that's not retracted. And worst case, we end up with the bishop and better pawns. And huge lead in development. Queen comes back. Okay. Now. Takes, queen takes. I can move somewhere with a tempo, which feels good. Takes, castles could be a move. So how do we improve? Maybe bishop? That kind of blocks my stuff. I could attack the knight. This looks like a pretty good move. Not gonna lie. Oh, I could just win a pawn. No, like I said, he could castle. This could be the move. This doesn't have any... If he pushes, I don't think we like that. Because he has some ideas, right? Hit, and if castles, takes check. Queen d3 here, and if he pushes, we take, and we're on this, and we're on it pretty hard, I think. Is this better? No, because it allows this. Is the bishop doing anything? No. Play chess. Play chess, my bishop. Play chess, my bishop. That was like, thank you, thank you. Okay, good. Well, okay, Lois, I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you. Adam, thank you so much for the 50 stars. Adam Engel, the longest running star streak here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Like, he's been giving stars. I can't see it. Did anyone on Facebook see when Adam Engel gave his 50 stars? Okay. Right. Now, they would come here. Or we just take. Oh, then he plays rook takes and forks my king and my bishop. One thing about this guy, you got to remember, guys, he's very, very brutal. And resistance is futile. Queen, maybe? I don't like where my queen is. You know what I'm saying? I just don't. Queen defends the pawn. I gotta move. I moved. If it loses, right? Anyone have any better ideas than not losing on time? Actually, Hikaru might say, Charlie, you are losing on time. Okay. Takes, queen takes, check, the king must take, takes, queen takes, check, the king must take. Guys, you know what he's doing to me? You know what he's doing to me, guys? This, I don't think it works. I think we... Oh, takes doesn't work. I don't know if it works, guys. But it's... I don't know if it's a move, but it's my move. You lost the streak for some reason, but it says 15 weeks now, but it was like 5-year streak. You did not lose the streak, Adam Engel. I see you every week more than once. I'm so sorry that it doesn't show your streak anymore. But I will say this. Thank you so much. And I'll tell you, as long as I see your star gifts, you will never not have the streak. Because you always give the streak. That's probably a good move because I get something out of it, right, guys? Just saw Queen E3, but everything's okay. Dude, Happy Little Blender is such a strong player, man. I really like playing Happy Little Blender. And I love his style. You can get like a slightly better position. And then he makes it really hard and tactical. And then you know what happens? You screw up. The knight comes back. Okay. He has rook takes. I didn't see it. Are there other games still going on? On the last game. Oh no. Wait. No, there's games going on. Plays with the queen. Great. Now I can play bishop takes. I think I do. Let me see. Bishop takes. He has no checks. Queen takes, 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 takes. I think bishop takes is the move. Discovering the attack on the queen. Wow. That doesn't work. So I come here. Okay, I have an overwhelming material superiority advantage. I think I just start winning pawns. Oh, okay, this way. I go here. I wanted to come here because I want to be on light square so bad. So I should have checked and then came here. 1000%. But I'm winning another pawn. Check. King up. We're going, guys. We're going. I should be okay. The knight comes. Definitely take a free pawn. Comes with tempo. Okay, if I come back, rook check. If I come here... Oh, my pawn. He's going to start getting pawns. This is the problem. Herein lies the problem. No blunders, guys. Bishop may not be too much, but it's doing more than black's knight. Endgame should be yours. Yeah, I'm just up too much material. The queen for the rook. Wow. Was he listening or something? Careful about listening. It could get you, it could cost you money. It's okay, happy little blunder. You could be a happy little resigner. Okay. I think you could have played king up for one more move. Good game, happy little blunder. Let us see what is going on. I have 4 out of 4. Okay, this is last game of the round. Our own Rhodes versus Kirksumulty. Rhodes has got about 340 points on Kirksumulty. And he is up in... He's up a full rook. But there are pawns. So, what Rhodes needs to do is make his rooks pay. Get the queens active. Make the rooks pay. Make the rooks work. Also, pushing his pawn probably wasn't bad either. It's a huge threat. then he has to answer for it. There's no attacks. He has no attacks. Oh, he defended. No, Rhodes defended a square. That's very, very smart. Very smart. Like Fredo. See, I just got here. Rhodes has been in the game. Check won the rook. Did I have a check winning the rook? I looked for it and didn't see it. Or do you mean at the end, like at the very end when I pushed a pawn one time or something? Maybe. Agree. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie, played Guitar Players. We play Elden Ring after dark. Blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't understand what he just said. Oh, here comes Rhodes. Here comes Rhodes with the pawn. Is this bishop not hanging? The problem is, takes, laughing, 3 words, 4 Fs. It was like 10 moves before checkmate. Really? I didn't see it. We'll see. I'll see it tomorrow. Moves the king. He could have won a bishop, and he didn't want it. Interesting maneuver. But if queen takes, rook comes, winning the queen. Now you shove and win the bishop. Oh, no. You play check first. Check first, protects the bishop. Brings it home. Massive centralization of the queen is always a good idea. There's a mate threat. It's not mate threat, though. Oh, you can't, though, because the pawn takes. The bishop comes back defending, and I don't know if I like it. Because the dark squares are weak. Like, he could play rook here. Okay, he's starting to shove. Yep. Now, the beauty of this move is it gets rid of these threats. You know what could be a move here, too? Under promote to a knight. A protected knight. This queen is doing nothing. This queen has to play chess. The queen might as well be in the box. Guys, getting my water. And the best thing... Wait, today's tournament day? I was thinking it was... What is tournament day? Oh, rook takes queen check, and he gets a rook. No, he doesn't get the rook. Okay, I think... Do we activate? Or do we, like... What do you do here? He has to do something. Activating is a move. Okay, yeah, that's a great move. That's a great move with a huge threat. He can't threaten mate. It's a huge threat. If anything, just to trade. And then you bring the rook, protected by the bishop. And then you bring the queen. This queen isn't playing chess. This queen has to come into the game, right? Don't you guys agree? But I'll tell you this. Crimlixel Tree is absolutely playing a really good game. A really good... Man, look at all these players! We had people late join. Mate, King Salmon, welcome to the tournament, man. Gregory Ferguson, I remember you. Welcome back. Coughlin 90, welcome to the tournament. Guys, get to your boards. Get to your boards. This is the last round, folks. Hopefully, I've already played the 1700s. I have. Eco Voyager is a worthy opponent at 1543. Eco Voyager, play well, my friend. Good luck to you. I'm going to shut chat off because you guys say moves as much as you want. Say them all. Because I am going to calculate. I'm going to commentate, but I'm going to calculate. D4, knight f6. I'm winning a piece. I'm winning a piece, folks. H6 was so he couldn't play bishop g5, pinning my knight. I'm winning a piece. Sorry, Eco Voyager. Bishop doesn't go on d3. If it does, you got to be aware. You got to play e4. Ugh. That was quick, man. That was quick. And you know what? You know how he lost there, guys? Because he's playing a London. And he's like, put your pieces on all squares where they go. You know what I'm saying? And it's just too much. Okay, now we simply... That would lose a pawn, I think. I think we play this move. Or maybe this move? I would like to move the knight. The problem is queen takes, and bishop takes. Takes, and I lose material, and I don't want to. I'm winning the game. I'm just going to get my pieces out. Now I can do this. Yeah. The queen comes with threatening maneuvers. That's actually a good move. I literally think this might be the move. I have to be careful because it takes a whole move to win that piece. Plus, I played h6. A couple moves to win that piece. Rook up. He has this. He has that anyway. So maybe it's not as good as it looked. I still think it's good. It must be. I just have to spend the time and find the move. Okay. He's attacking f7. Here, rook d6. And he's getting an exchange. Here, same thing. Queen, he plays rook over with the big threat. I could play knight. No, I can't. I could play knight here now. No. Queen. Rook over. Knight hits the queen. And then bishop e6 or something. Yeah. There's not enough time. Is this okay? I want a piece, guys. I just took a full minute because that was a real threat. It's a real threat, guys. I think the key luck move here is the knight c5. Knight c5. Hits the queen. We have a pin. No infiltration squares. Ooh, what was that? Okay, now I can kick the bishop off of the diagonally as well. But I think we go here. I think we come here. I have to analyze it. It's very, very shady, guys. It's very shaky and shady. It's shaky ground. I'm standing on shaky ground, guys. You guys don't know it. This is the move. For one huge reason. Stops bishop d6. And it threatens to trade down. And it stops pins. It stops bishop d6 forking. You know what I'm saying? The bishop comes, we kick it, I think. It comes here, we probably just trade it. You know what I'm saying? But there was some shadiness right there, guys. There was some shaded castle. Dude, I want to play Elden Ring. It's going to be fun tonight. What are we going to do? Oh, we're waiting for Trey to respond, guys. Guys, sometimes... Ooh, open mic Thursday night. His friend Ethan Pachaco is... I think I saw that guy play. My friend Alan's hosting open mic tomorrow night, and he can't make it, so he's got a friend standing in his place. And I think I saw that guy play, Ethan Pachaco. I think. Only because it's a, what's the word? Okay, comes. Now, can I come here? Or do we just... This is still okay. Bishop. If he takes, we take, and it's still okay. Bishop. Bishop takes, queen takes, is still okay. Bishop. You play bishop back. And then we just come back to a better square. And hit the bishop. Does this work, though? G4. I could take and then take. I could take and then take is probably better. I could pin the knight. Pin the knight. Does it work? I think, yeah, pinning the knight, I think, is Grandmaster move because we're messing up pawns. Oh, and where'd my bishop? Oh, yeah. And I develop a piece. Now rook's coming. Guys, I'm up a piece. There is no glory. You shouldn't be like, I'm crushing this guy. My opponent lost a piece early on in the game. It's a trap I'm familiar with. He is not. Okay, so that's how, and now I'm supposed to win the game, and I should win the game. But he's fighting like a lion, guys. He's fighting like an actual lion. Not like metaphorically like a lion. Like I literally feel like there's a lion in the room with me right now. It's better than our stockfish being in the room with me, right? Yeah. Guys, let me tell you something about Dr. Lupo. You guys know Dr. Lupo? He was a famous streamer. I used to watch him play Fortnite with Timmy the Tatman. Timmy's Tenders the Tatman and Nick Marks and Ninja. Dr. Lupo. Very, very famous streamer. Rich person from streaming. Yeah. And then he was in a chess tournament. And he got this crazy idea. Now I just have to decide if I play g5 or not. Takes, pawn takes is good. Is he threatening anything? He's still pinned. We just bring our last piece. No, I think we have to keep the pressure on. I think we keep the pressure on and trade this bishop. Final answer. So Dr. Lupo got in this chess tournament. He's in his own little world, guys. He doesn't know who Hans Niemann is. He has no idea who Hans Niemann is. He was not involved in the chess community. Like Tyler 1. You guys know Tyler? He's a huge famous streamer. Much richer than Lupo. Tyler is like 1900. Or at least he turned 1900. Do we have to take? No, let's just bring the last piece. But no, then I see moves for him. So take the naughty, because it's a bishop. Then I'm going to do a move. We still have our pin. Okay, now I'm going to do a little thing called bring the last piece. No, I'm tired of this. Although the queen's got it covered now. Really, I'm okay. But the queen also hits this. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I want to do this. I'm going to bring the last piece. Let him bring the Amigo's queen. Wait. If I don't take this now, can he take and then make the knight better? He can come here. There's squares. We're up a full piece. I'm taking it. I'm up a full piece. I'm taking it. Probably not Stockfish. And we will look at this game tomorrow. Okay, there's a weak pawn here. I could improve the queen, hit the bishop. He could defend it. So we're going to bring the rook and say we're trading down. Takes. Right now, there's one open file, and we must either control or contest it. Stockfish move is probably rook over. He doesn't want to trade down. He's losing. But you can't just let me have the file. Well, you can. And he should. He should just let me have the file. Because he's losing. And he has to create malarkey. So Stockfish very often will trade down when it's down material. It will, because it's the best move. All it does is prolong the checkmate a couple more moves, and it's happy with that. A human says, I'm going to play some bad moves and stir the pot, right? Yeah, that's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Here. And he can't push because we rip. Oh, no, wait. He can push. Oh, that forks. Okay, so if I come here and he pushes. I think I just come back. And now he can't stop us from coming in. He pushes again. I think we're okay. I kind of like the idea of making his bishop go back to Looney, the land of Loon. Queen c5, knight here's an idea, but it's just a shot. It doesn't really do anything. Oh no, but this hits a bishop though. this is a 7th. There's a better move, but I have to move. It could be something like this. No, let's just force the wood off, guys. Let's just force the wood off. Queen over. And then we push. And there's just nothing. I'd rather bring my knight to this square than to this square and have it off limits. It opens up my bishop, but my bishop is kind of biting granite. It's not doing much. And the knight back, it can come. It's still playing chess. And it can come back and start playing more chess. And it can come back and start playing more. You know what I'm saying? So, like, okay, he does that. I think we do this. Now, if queen up, he has rook over. So he has a threat. He has a threat. So we are just going to threaten to trade queens. And keep the file open. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to come up. And then we're going to get behind it. It's going to be Tuma. Ego Voyager lost a piece early. He's fighting like a lion, guys. If I blunder, I blunder. I think we come here. Can't come back. This pawn is under attack. I'm just going to come here. I need to get my pieces active. Okay, he just moves. I love that move. I can come here. Now I think it's going to be worth it to open the bishop up. Because it's not biting granite anymore. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty brutal, guys. We're going to be on pawns. On pawn-sant. It's my favorite move! Now he's threatening over, but then we just move. I'm going to come here. Open the bishop. Oh, he can push then. Improving the Amigos scenario. Okay, got the rooks off. Okay. Improving. Okay, do I take with the pawn? I think I do, because there's no problems. At some point, we're probably going to come here and hit the bishop. King comes up. You love to see it, folks. Was that a blunder? Doesn't feel like a bad move. Because I own one file and I'm going to block the next file. See what I'm saying? Then the knight can come here and here, defended by the thing, and this goes there, and thing, and again, then the massive attacking scenario. It's all about piece activity, folks! Does anyone else have 4 points? They're 400 rated as 4 points, folks. The 4... Wow. Hits both my pawns. That's probably a good move. That's a really good move. So I'm gonna hit a bishop. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose on time. Yeah, that was a blunder. This was a blunder, guys. It pushed it too far. I gotta move. I gotta move! Hit the bishop. Trade the bishop. Okay. I need... Guys, he might get a freaking a draw though. So I can't allow that. I'm gonna come here. Now do it come up this way? Okay, it's a move. Attacking. Dude, I think he's drawing, man. If not winning. My bishop is kind of weird. I think I might have screwed this up. The draw might be enough to win the tournament still. Oh, no, no, no. The 400, oh, it's 4 out of 5. Okay, so the 400 rated crushed the entire tournament. 4, 3, bang. Check, check. So you might get a draw here. I'm losing. Am I losing? I think I'm losing, guys. I think I'm losing. I'm gonna resign. Dude, I was up a piece the whole game. I was up a piece the whole game. Dude, Eco Voyager, you play like a monster. Good game. That was a real game of chess, guys. I still won the tournament very luckily. And Eco Voyager, I beat him on tie breaks. So first place, I got first place. Eagle Voyager got second place. And the rated 400 got third place, guys. The 400 ahead of Tom Beast. Happy Little Blunder, 1,700. Kiza, the 900, couldn't compete. Chess Army, the 1,100, couldn't compete. Fortunate back to 1,700, had no chance against the 400. Yeah, that was an amazing, amazing tournament, guys. It's almost unbelievable. Good game, though. Good tournament. Good tournament. Just, guys, just seriously underrated. Seriously underrated. Does Charlene Sardinia have anything to say about their glorious third place win? You're very, very, very underrated, right? You would have put another night there. Don't listen to my moves. Oh, I'm not listening to moves, Big Al. I don't listen to anyone's moves. I had chat off. Or when I do have chat on, I don't listen to moves either. Yeah. Dude, congratulations, guys. What a great tournament, man. Congratulations to... Where's it? Oh, I actually got first place. I can't believe I got first place. Thank you. I got first place. Eagle Voyager beat me. Yeah, 600 now. Exactly. Yeah, almost unbelievable. Yeah. 600 now. Yeah. So Charlie Sardine is, what's the word? Provisional rating. That explains it. They're very underrated at 400 is what it is. But they're rated, that's why I jumped up to 600. You know what I'm saying? And that happens to us too. When you're playing someone who is grossly underrated and they are not established yet, I don't think you lose as many points. Right? Like, for instance, who beat... Oh, I beat Charlie Sardine. Hey, we got another friend. Oh, yeah. Guys, saw that one. For instance, let's look. Because when I play a 350 or 457 or something, right? And I lose. Well, I won. That's the problem. Okay, we'll see how many points I won. Well, no, I'm not supposed to win any anyway. Does it... It doesn't tell how many points I won or lost. Rosewood Telly. Oh, it'll say it right here, right? It doesn't tell you how many points you win or lose in a game? Okay, like I lost to Eco Voyager. I just want to see now if it tells me anything about the rating loss. Analysis. How do you find out how many points you lost when you look at a game from the past? Oh, you look at your rating before the game and after the game. Yeah, 1676, and I lost 11 points for losing to Eagle Voyager. That's great. Okay, before Charlie Sardine's game, I was 1657. After Charlie Sardine's game, I was 1657. Okay, now, who lost to Charlene Sardine? You had your rating at 666 high after the first... I noticed that. We commented it. Isaac, how you doing? So, who lost to Charlene Sardine? Oh, man, where's the tournament? That's right here. No, I want the tournament. There we go. Chillers Weekly. No, that's just a game. You can't... Oh, I can do it from here. Okay. How do you find out who... Okay, it won this game right here. And this person is Daniel. Okay, now we're going to look at Daniel's. But it doesn't say plus or minus the points. So I'm going to look at Daniel's list. And before the Sardine game, Daniel was 666, 654. So you lost 6 points for that. You lost 6 points for that. But the person was 150 points, 160 points lower than you. So you would normally lose more than that. Am I right, guys? Am I right? Now, if you have any interest in any of these games I play today, tomorrow we're going to be going over some of these games, as well as tomorrow I play the viewers. I play you guys. It's going to be fun. Thursdays are great. Tonight, we game at 8 p.m. So definitely hit the follow button, hit the like button, come back for the gaming stream tonight, and chess Monday through Thursday, guys. We play chess 4 days a week, minimum. Okay? Not counting bonus streams. Hit the like button, the follow button, man. Hit that sub button on YouTube. Hit the follow button on Twitch. Twitch, I love you. Twitch, I got to take you guys to a raid. I'm going to shut Facebook, YouTube down and Facebook. I love you guys. Love you guys. Hit follow and subscribe. Goodbye. But Twitch, stay here because we're going to raid somebody.